Hello guys, and welcome back. Happy New Year and welcome to a new update video for AIMOGEN'S. And this time let me show you how to use DeepSeek API on your WordPress site with AIMOGEN'S. So DeepSeek will be able to be used with AIMOGEN'S out of the box. Right now you can go and set up AIMOGEN'S as I show you in this video. So first of all, install the latest update of AIMOGEN'S. AIMOGEN'S is linked in this video's description. Afterwards, go to deepseek.com and click Access API. So this will be the way to create your DeepSeek API credentials. First of all, create an account on DeepSeek. So after you created your account, be sure to also enable billing, add your Visa card and top up with $2, for example, like I did. And afterwards, you will be greeted with this dashboard. Click API keys and create your new API key with this button. After you got your key, simply you will be able to copy it or you can create a new key. Let's create a new key here. And here it is. Don't bother using this key because I will delete it after I will finish this video. So the key needs to be pasted here in the OpenAI compatible API keys. If you don't see this in the API keys tab from the settings menu of the plugin, be sure to select the main API service provider selector and set it to custom OpenAI compatible API. So this is a must. Don't leave it on OpenAI. Set it to custom OpenAI compatible API. Add your DeepSeek API key, which is visible here in the OpenAI compatible API keys. Afterwards, after you've done this, go back to the DeepSeek website and click Access API. And if you are here, click Docs. So after you are on the docs, you need to copy this link. So the https API deepseek.com, copy this link and paste it in the OpenAI compatible API base URL. So paste it here. All we need to do now is go back to the documentation page from here and click models. You will see the models listed here which DeepSeek supports, and copy the model that you want to use. So currently they support only the DeepSeek chat model. So copy this and paste it in the additional AI model list from here. So after we done this, so we set the URL, our API key and the model that we wish to use from DeepSeek, save settings, and afterwards we are ready and we can get started using the DeepSeek API. So now let's go, for example, to the chatbot. And here, very important, go to bot configuration. In the bot model, select the AI model that you added to DeepSeek. So this is DeepSeek Chat OpenAI compatible. Select it. And now we can go ahead and save settings. After we selected the model to be used in the AI chatbot, all we need to do is say hello to it. And you can see that DeepSeek is generating really nice results. So keep in mind, you can use this in the single AI post creator, bulk AI post creator, OmniBlocks, AI content editor, and other parts of the plugin. So don't forget just to select and in each here the model selection. So search for model on the page, and for each model where you see model, instead of GPT-4o mini, which is the default model for AIMOGEN'S currently, set DeepSeek Chat or set the model that you wish to use from DeepSeek. So DeepSeek Chat, and so on. So DeepSeek Chat, each and every from here needs to be switched to DeepSeek Chat or the model from DeepSeek that you want to use. So here also DeepSeek Chat, and so on. Okay, so this is how you will be able to switch AIMOGEN'S to use DeepSeek, because DeepSeek is really trendy right now and it provides actually really great results. So go ahead guys and check it. and you will be able to use it fully with Aimmatic and based on the configuration I showed you. So Aimmatic, as I said before, is linked in this video description. Go ahead, guys, and check how you will be able to benefit from it. You can use also DeepSeek starting from now in it, as you just learned how to use it in this tutorial video. So yeah, thank you for watching until the end. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions, and let me know in the comments of this video. I read each comment. Thank you for watching until then. Once again, it is really appreciated. Have a nice day. Bye bye.